If your firm is re-entering the same Bates numbering settings every single time you process documents, you're wasting a lot of time. Margins, positioning, prefixes, font size, padding, color, first page handling. A lot of legal teams are still rebuilding those settings manually for every production. And if someone forgets one detail, you can end up with inconsistent productions, misplaced Bates stamps, or files that need to be reprocessed. So let me show you a much faster workflow. Inside BatesNumbers, I already saved my firm's standard production settings as the defaults. So instead of rebuilding everything from scratch, I can simply drag in a batch of PDFs, or even a zip containing organized folders of PDFs, and the system automatically loads my saved settings. Notice I didn't have to reset margins, font settings, numbering location, prefix formatting, padding digits, or color settings. Everything is already configured the way our firm normally produces documents. If I want to make adjustments for this specific job, I still can. But for most productions, everything is already ready to go. Now I can immediately preview the output, confirm the numbering looks correct, and submit the production. That entire workflow only takes a couple of minutes. And when you're handling productions regularly, removing all of that repetitive setup saves a surprising amount of time, especially compared to older workflows where you repeatedly rebuild the same production settings over and over again. This is one of the reasons we built BatesNumbers, to simplify high-volume Bates numbering workflows without requiring Acrobat or complicated litigation support software. If you want to try it yourself, head over to BatesNumbers.com and upload your PDFs or zip file to get started.